twice. I said I wasn't going to be talking, but I owe everybody an apology. Well, after I finished the first page and started working on the second page, I decided I didn't think I was going to even complete this. So I stopped recording. And then I got to the butterfly page and went, you know what? This isn't so bad. I've got an idea. I've got quotes. I'm going to move forward with this. Um, yeah, and then forgot to hit record on some of it. So I wanted to come in and apologize to everybody and also explain a little bit of what I did. So on this page, I added a flap just by, a piece of paper that was glued on each side with a fold in the middle. And I put on there, she's an old soul with young eyes, and had a window cut out there. And then on the other side, I put she's a mess of gorgeous chaos. And I created this page with the Dina Wakley spray glosses. I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. Definitely depicts chaos, I think. I didn't spray these sprays actually. I pulled the nozzle out and dripped the paint out of the straw and rubbed the straw against a page and mixed it up and let it drip. And I just love how it turned out. So on the next page, which was in part one, I wrote, "She is you." Because I think as artists, we all have an old soul and young eyes. And we're definitely gorgeous. All of us are. And we love chaos, creativity, chaos, making a mess. So hope you like this. I hope it inspired you. And I plan on doing a lot more videos. So please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see when I upload my next journals. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.